Today we will discuss about orthographic projections. Okay, orthographic projection. Orthographic projection means we have to draw the views of a 3D diagram. Okay, we have to draw the views of a 3D diagram. That what we wish. Next, here we have a front view. Okay, this is the front view of this object. We have to draw front view and top view and side view of the object. Okay, we have to draw front view, top view, side view of the object. In side view we have right side view and left side view. Okay, and side view we have right side view, left side view. Okay, this is an arrow mark. Okay, this side, this is front view. Right side view means we have to see from right side, the view projects left side. Okay, the view projects left side. The left side view means if you see from the left side view, the view project on left side. Okay, the view project on left side. Okay, the next, this is an L-shaped 3D diagram. Okay, total height is 60 mm, total width is 40 mm, and this band width is 15 mm, and here we have height of 15 mm. Okay, observe diagram carefully. I am drawing views of this object. Okay, we have to draw first angle projection. Okay, first angle projection means front view and side view, front view and side view project in vertical plane and the top view project in horizontal plane. Okay, if this is a this observe carefully, this is a book and this is horizontal plane and this is vertical plane. Okay, horizontal plane and vertical plane. Okay, this is horizontal. Okay, bottom is horizontal plane and top is vertical plane. Okay, the front view project on horizontal plane and top view project on front view project on vertical plane, top view project on horizontal plane. Okay, when you expand these views, okay, when you expand these views, front view project on above the intersection line of horizontal and vertical plane. That means the front view and side view projects on vertical plane and the top view project on horizontal plane. Okay, I'll explain how to draw. This is a L shape. Okay, this is a L shape. Draw a baseline. Okay, okay, this is baseline xy. This is a baseline xy. That means the line, the intersection line of horizontal plane and vertical plane, the intersection line of horizontal plane and vertical plane. Okay, this baseline is intersection line of horizontal plane and vertical plane. Okay, this diagram has 60 mm. First of all, we have to draw front view. Okay, in front view we are able to draw height, and the next, this is width. Okay, height and width. Okay, height and width, or height or length. Okay, height or width or height or length. Okay, this is 30 mm width or 30 mm length. It's maybe okay. This is 30 mm. The next height is 60 mm. Okay, here we have band. The band width is 50 mm. Okay, this step band width is 15 mm. Okay, in front view the length, this is considered as length. Okay, this is considered length 30 and height is 60. Okay, I am drawing. Okay, observe carefully. Length and 60 mm and 60 mm height. Okay, here we have 30 mm length and 60 mm height. Okay, next, observe carefully. This band also we project this band height also. Okay, this band also will project in front view. Okay, this is the line is at the 50 mm height. Okay, at 50 mm height, mark 15 mm height. Let's draw the line. Okay, let's draw the line. Okay, this is front view of this object. Okay, this is front view of this object. Okay, the next we have to draw top view. Okay, we have to draw top view. Okay, let's parallel to this line. Okay, parallel to this line, draw lighter lines. Okay, draw lighter lines. Okay, draw lighter lines, just slightly draw the lighter lines. Okay, observe carefully. Okay, width of this object is 45. Okay, width of the object is 45. Okay, the next from the below the I'm already told you the top view of the object projects in first angle projection, the top view of the object projection horizontal plane. Okay, this is vertical plane, this is horizontal plane. The height of the width of the object is 45 mm. Okay, the width of the object is 45 mm. Okay, here we have 45. Okay, here we have 45. Draw thicker lines for object projections. Okay, draw thicker lines for object projection. Okay, this is the top view. Okay, in top view this bandwidth is 15 mm. Okay, this by in front view project this height, and the next in top view project this width. Okay, at 50 mm height. Okay, we have 15 mm height from top. Okay, let's mark 15 mm and draw the line. Okay, and draw the line. Okay, this is top view and this is front view and this is top view. Okay, we have to draw left side view. Okay, when you see from the object from left side, the view projects on right side. Okay, the view projects on right side. When you see from the left side, the view projects on right side. Okay, I'm drawing here left side view. Okay, left side view project means the left side view projects on right side. Okay, left side view projects on right side. Okay, the view always the view project opposite side. Okay, when you see from the left side, the view project right side. When you see from the right side, the view projects on right left side. Okay, I'm drawing left side view of this object. Okay, I'm drawing left side view of this object. Okay, that means this is front view. Left side means just you are seeing this side. Okay, that means if you watch this in on this time. Okay, on this place the view projects on right side. Okay, the view projects on right side. Okay, here we have draw the lighter lines. Okay, draw the lighter lines. Okay, okay, draw the lighter lines. Okay, the next in left side view the object looks like L shape. Okay, the object looks like L shape. Okay, that means it will project width on the height. Okay, width and height. Okay, only project width and height. Okay, the next height is 60 mm. Okay, draw thicker lines. Height is 60 mm and the next width is 45 mm. Okay, the next this bandwidth is 15 mm. Okay, this bandwidth is 15 mm. Next 15 mm height, draw the bandwidth. Next the next here this bandwidth is 15 mm. Okay, that means is total 45 except this 15 mm we have 30 mm. Okay, we have 30 mm of bandwidth. Okay, why? Because the band up to 30 mm only. Okay, either remaining goes upside. Okay, the remaining goes upside height. Okay, this is 15 mm band except this 15, this length is 30 mm. Okay, draw the 30 mm. Okay, draw 30 mm. Next up goes the line. The next here we have 15 mm bandwidth. Okay, at the end we have 15 mm bandwidth. Okay, watch carefully, observe carefully. The front view projects like L shape. Okay, see the side view projects like L shape, the front view projects like this and top view project like this. Okay, let's make dimensions. Okay, this is front view, this is front view and this is left side view, this is left side view and this is top view. Okay, this is the process to draw views of the 3D object, that means orthographic projections. Okay, orthographic projection, this is the process to draw orthographic projections. Top view, side view. In first angle projection, top view, side view projects on vertical plane and Front view, side view projects on vertical plane, top view projects on horizontal plane. Okay, let's make a dimension. Don't forget to mention dimension. Okay, here we have this band is 15 mm and here we have 15 mm. Our total height is 60 mm. Okay, I'm drawing and dimension just roughly. You people have to draw neat dimensions. Okay, here you have 15 mm, the next total is 60 mm. Okay, don't forget to draw dimensions. Okay, here you have the width is the total width is in top view 45 mm, and the next this width is 15 mm. Okay, this is the process to draw projections of the 3D object, that means orthographic projections.